Can you transfer your mic to Abhijeet? Yes, Abhijeet,
Yes, sir.
you have been given a lot of
Sir, I want to
phrases to choose
choose
from.
on the verge of who and cry, through and through, far and wide.
Wow, it means you are going to impress everyone
Yes,
out
sir,
and
I will
out.
try. Sir,
Please.
I want to talk about the recent news that in Hyderabad, 400 acres of land are forest are uh, government asked to deforest them because of they want to build a residential area. We can see that many animals are now in the verge of extinction. Then after the government has not taking such a necessary actions to them, and they are just doing opposite of it. And we can see that there is such a hue and cry uh, among the animals after the cutting down of at
Number
least
of trees.
a large of number of trees, like 50 acres of lands are deforested in such few days. And there is they are just uh,
Very good.
releasing.
So, are you shocked out and out
Yes,
after
sir.
listening to this news?
Yes, sir. I was just stunned to listen to that news because they are just they want to educate us as to save the environment, and they are doing such a wrong thing.
So, what can you do on behalf of people who are suffering?
Sir, most of people are not suffering. I think the animals are
Animal,
suffering.
what can you do on behalf of them?
We can
They
just
cannot speak.
we
What
can
can you
just
do?
raise our voice. Just and today, I think the High Court stayed that order and just stopped that cutting down the trees.
Okay, very good. What made you use a lot of phrases in a single situation? Were you self motivated?
Yes, sir. These are just interrelated. I think the hue and cry and the verge of extinction